Welcome to my channel Chemistry Video, and I am Noman Ahmed. Today we are going to discuss two important topics, that is collision number and collision diameter. So we are going to discuss collision diameter. Collision diameter. What is collision diameter and what is collision number? These are the two topics, collision, and the next topic is collision number. Easy topics. So let's define what is collision diameter. Collision diameter, it is an event. Collision is an event. Collision is an event. Collision is an event in which the center of two identical, in which the center of two identical molecules come within a distance. Identical molecule, एक जैसे molecules come within a distance, within a distance, sigma from one another. Sigma distance, distance is represented by sigma. Let me write sigma within a distance, sigma from one another, from one another. This is collision diameter. The diagram is shown below. कैसे? अब मैं आपको डायग्राम से समझाता हूँ. आपके पास एक मॉलिक्यूल ये है, ठीक है, और एक मॉलिक्यूल आपके पास एक और है ये. अब दोनों का जो सेंटर है, ये सेंटर है, ठीक है. अभी इसको आप हाफ डिवाइड कर लें, इसको भी हाफ डिवाइड कर लें, ठीक है, और इनके जो सेंटर को भी हाफ डिवाइड कर लें. यानी ये यहाँ इस साइड पे मूव कर रहा है मॉलिक्यूल, ये मॉलिक्यूल ए है, ये मॉलिक्यूल बी है. इनके दरमियान जो डिस्टेंस है, ये वाला, ये जो डिस्टेंस है यहाँ से यहाँ तक, दिस डिस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड सिग्मा. एंड दिस डिस्टेंस between, see, collision is an event in which the center of two identical, this is the center of one, this is the center of the second, though two identical atom molecules are there, come within a distance. The distance between them, this is the maximum distance between them. No other molecule can come between them, so this is the maximum distance between these two molecules. So this within a distance sigma from one another. So this distance sigma is called a collision diameter. Okay, this is the collision diameter. Sigma, this sigma, which is the distance between center of two molecules, okay, at the point of closest approach. This is the closest approach. This is called collision diameter. So this is the easy definition of a collision diameter. What is collision number? The collision number, the number of molecules, collision number is the number of molecules with which a single molecule, a single molecule, the number of molecules with which a single molecule will collide per unit time, per unit time, per unit volume, and the number of molecules with which a single molecule will collide per unit time per unit volume of a gas, is called collision number. Is called collision number. It is given, the formula is, it is given by the formula, suppose the formula is Z11 means for two types of molecule, same molecule. Then we can say for simple molecule it can also be given. If it is for one molecule, so we can write 1. If it's for two molecule, we can write 1. So it is represented by Z. So the formula is 2 under root 2 pi C bar and rho. This the last symbol is rho, which is for the density. Okay. So one thing which is the most important between them, the sigma. So whenever there is a sigma, so you will write a sigma and you will put with square, because sigma square is the answer, where Z is collision number, okay. And what is the C? This C bar is average, we can say average velocity. In physics, this term you might have studied, average velocity. This is average velocity. Average velocity. Okay. And what is sigma? Sigma is diameter of a, here you can see diameter of a molecule. And rho, what is rho? Number of molecules colliding per unit volume of gas. So this is collision number, the number of molecules with which a single molecule will collide per unit time, per unit volume of a gas is called collision number. It is given by this formula, where Z is collision number, C bar average velocity, and sigma diameter of the molecule. We can show it with this diagram as well. So these two important definitions are important in gases chapter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take a very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.